That is the completed Cadillac 472 after 2 months of hard work. I completely checked the car over before I even tried to start it. The fuel tank was full of sludge, so were the lines, the filters were plugged, and the fuel pump was full of like a tar substance too. The fuel had sat for so long, only 44,000 original miles. It had sat and sat and sat for so long that there's no way it could have run. Thank God I checked it. Again, remove the fuel system completely. New fuel pump, new fuel tank, new lines, remove the carburetor, professionally cleaned, new exhaust system, all new brakes all the way around, new wheel cylinders, new master cylinder. It goes on and on. The car now has been professionally inspected, licensed, on the road. Now I'm going to focus on the detailing of the car. I'm going to completely degrease and grind and repaint the engine compartment and detail and shampoo the complete interior and compound and wax the paint. This car will be absolutely stunning when done. Again, complete tune-up, all new fluids. This car is restored mechanically first, meaning I checked it mechanically first. I did not just try to pump it. Thank God I didn't. Nothing is worse than old gas in your engine. You do not want to know what could happen. So, taking my time, doing it properly, saved this beautiful car from total destruction. Imagine trying to pull that tar inside the carburetor, inside the engine. You don't want that. So it probably won't even start at that stage anyway. It's so badly plugged. But the car is running beautifully, as you saw. And now I'm going to focus on cleaning and detailing, which she obviously desperately needs. The next video will be probably a few weeks from now when she's painted, compounded, and detailed. It will be a brand new car again. Thank you for watching. And keep watching because there's going to be a lot of more progress made in this beautiful 1968 Cadillac Calais. Bye for now.